Welcome to Dreamy's Country Kitchen. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm making a strawberry cream cheese pound cake. Stay tuned. These are my ingredients. Everything is room temperature. I have eggs, butter, cream cheese, sugar, flour, baking powder, freeze-dried strawberries, vanilla extract, lemon extract, and strawberry extract. I'm going to begin by mixing my butter and sugar together. And you want to make sure you don't overmix it, but cream it till it's light and fluffy. Add in the 1 block of cream cheese and continue to cream that with your butter and sugar. I like to add in my extracts early with the butter and sugar, so I'm just going to go ahead and add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You can probably add more. 2 teaspoons of strawberry extract. And 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. You can adjust that to your liking. You want to slowly add in the eggs one by one. Definitely turn your mixer down to a slower speed and scrape the sides of your bowl occasionally. I am adding in my sifted flour with baking powder. At this time, I'll also add in my freeze-dried strawberries, and if you have any red food coloring that you want to put in, you can add it in at this time as well. Try not to overmix. Also, do not forget to scrape the sides of the bowl and the bottom to make sure everything mixed in properly. When I put it in this baking pan that I've put some shortening in and sprinkle a little bit of sugar, it goes in the oven on 325 for 1.5 to 2 hours. After allowing the cake to come to a complete cool, now I'm going to add on my strawberry glaze. If you love strawberries, this is a great recipe for you. Please consider subscribing. Come back for more recipes. Shalom.